Hey everyone, your heart beats around 100,000 times a day, pumping blood to keep you alive. But are you paying enough attention to it? Today I'm diving into 6 red flags that might suggest your heart is weaker than it should be, and what you can do about it. First up, reduced grip strength. If you're struggling to hold things like shopping bags or a tennis racket, it could be due to poor blood supply to your muscles. If this sounds familiar, especially with other symptoms like breathlessness or chest pain, chat with your doctor. Next, indigestion-like pain. A burning sensation in your chest might just be indigestion, but it could also be heart-related. If this happens during exercise and eases with rest, see a healthcare professional. Third, a choking sensation. Angina, caused by narrowed arteries, can feel like tightness or pain in your throat. It's a sign that your heart is struggling to pump blood effectively. Swollen ankles are another sign. If your ankles swell by evening, it might indicate heart failure, where your heart can't pump blood efficiently. Don't ignore this. Consult your doctor. Fifth, aching calves. Pain in your calves during exercise, relieved by rest, could mean peripheral arterial disease. Persistent pain, even at rest, needs immediate medical attention. Lastly, pain in your shoulders, arms, or jaw. Heart problems can cause pain in these areas, especially during physical activity. If this pain occurs at rest, it's an emergency. Head to the ER immediately. So, how do you protect your heart? Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and quitting smoking are key. Stay active, eat plenty of fruits, veggies, and whole grains, and avoid smoking to keep your heart in tip-top shape. Remember, these tips are no substitute for professional medical advice. If you notice any of these red flags, get checked out by a healthcare professional immediately. Take care of your heart, and it will take care of you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.